Greetings everyone, you're welcome to Cupisweb YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to install SSL certificate to your domain in 3 easy ways. Now to do that, you have to log into your cPanel. As you can see here, this is our cPanel. Now the first step is that search for SSL/TLS. Now you come to this under this install and manage SSL for your site. Click on manage SSL here. Now all you need to do is to go down and select the domain you want to install the SSL for. Now as you can see under this domain here, select the domain you want to install the SSL for. Now for this story, I'll be installing this domain on this domain here. Now I click on autofill by domain. I click on install certificates. Now, as you can see, our SSL is successfully installed in our domain. Now, the second step is that it's using Let's Encrypt. Now, you can search for Let's Encrypt, as you can see here. So, all you need to do is to select the domain you want to install SSL for. And make sure you mark all this space you are seeing here and click on DNS01 and issue the SSL. So we have successfully installed our SSL to our domain using this IP address you are seeing here. Now this is the second step, and the last step is using onto SSL. Now to do that, search for SSL status. Now all you need to do is to run auto SSL for all your domain. Sometimes you might see a red color here. That means there's no SSL, but this green means there's SSL. But in case you have a red mark here, just run onto SSL. Now this will automatically install SSL for all your domain. Now this is how to install SSL for your domain. Please, in case you are new to our channel, kindly do to subscribe, like and comment. If you have any issue, you can drop a comment below because we will surely reply to your comments. Thank you very much for having you here today.